What's going on, guys? Rogue Status 650. Just making a quick video. Wanted to show you guys these knockoffs that I got with my wheels, some wire wheels that I purchased not too long ago. And I added the center chip, the Buick chip, to match my Skylark. And for those of you that don't know how those chips get attached to the knockoff, I did some research, and basically I used some 3M plastic emblem adhesive and just pretty much attached them to the knockoff carefully. And I'll see how that works. It cures in 24 hours, so we'll see. Anyways, the knockoffs look nice. It's gonna definitely be a good touch on that Buick, on my Skylark. Let me show you the wheels. I went with a Vogue tire. For folks that are in California, the Bay Area, they know what that look is. It seems like the whole country's picking up on it now. But let me show you the wheels. All right, you guys, so these are the wheels. Vogue tires. Mustard and mayonnaise. And I'm telling you, it's gonna look nice. Very nice. The size that I went with is 20-inch wheels. The size of the tire is, I believe it's 45, 40, 20. I can't remember the size, but never mind, it says it right here. So yes, 245, 40, 20. Very nice tires. And like I said, the car's gonna be looking good for summer. I'll do another update when I get the wheels installed. Rogue Status 650. Hit that like button if y'all like what y'all see. And if you're a hater, just do it moving. Oh, one more thing. I purchased some fabric to do my interior. That's also going to be another update. For those of you that don't know what material this is tweed, and it's gonna look good. You guys will see. Anyways, I'll make another video.